Architectural design. Series 1. The architectural design process is inherently unique for each architect, characterized by a diversity and richness of approaches that yield distinct designs. Architectural competitions, for instance, showcase a wide array of projects, each exhibiting its own distinctive features. What inspires architects? Why is there no single, correct solution to an architectural design problem? Conversations with architects or an examination of their designs reveal that each possesses a unique method and approach. Once architectural projects are implemented and delivered to clients, they often become subjects of discussion within the profession and the public sphere. At this juncture, a degree of intuition and post-rationalization is employed to make sense of the intricate project process. Nonetheless, the architectural design process continues to retain much of its mystery, even in interviews with architects, leaving questions regarding the value of crumpled sketch papers and work models that end up in the wastebasket. Architects craft their design process, establishing their own design methodology centered around their values, abilities, and priorities. They are conscious of their design methods, ensuring mastery of the process and avoiding thoughtless repetition of outdated practices. Architects continually reflect upon and refine their individual design methodologies. Project: Villa Maria. Location: Nurmaku, Finland. Architect: Alvar Aalto. Date: 1939. The preceding page introduces the architectural project, Villa Maria, situated on a hill in Nurmaku, Finland, and designed by the renowned architect Alvar Aalto in 1939. The initial sketches produced for this residential structure were aimed at exploring the relationships between various components, encompassing plans, sections, the surrounding landscape, and architectural details. Alvar Aalto's approach to design is characterized by the simultaneous consideration of both large and small-scale elements, as well as the harmonious integration of the site and architecture, emphasizing the interconnectedness of parts and the whole. The Alvar Aalto Museum houses a collection of drawings, serving as a repository of Aalto's design legacy. This collection provides invaluable insights into the profound impact of Aalto's architectural work. The Reimagining the White House competition. A glimpse into the jury selection process for the competition. Organized by Storefront for Arts and Architecture, the Reimagining the White House competition sought to address the question of how a structure, akin to the White House as an architectural symbol of political power, would be designed. In contemporary times, the competition garnered participation from approximately 500 projects representing 42 countries.